In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate an artboard in Adobe Illustrator quickly and easily. If you work with multiple layouts, social media graphics, UI designs, or any kind of multi-page design project, knowing how to duplicate artboards can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of rebuilding layouts from scratch, you can simply copy an existing artboard and reuse the structure for a new design. I'll walk you through the exact steps, show you the shortcut that makes it incredibly fast, and share a few helpful tips so you can manage artboards more efficiently in Illustrator. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical design tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your project in Adobe Illustrator. This technique works in both new documents and existing files that already contain multiple artboards. Once your file is open, the first thing you need to do is activate the Artboard tool. The fastest way to do this is by using the keyboard shortcut Shift+O. As soon as you press Shift and O on your keyboard, Illustrator will switch to the Artboard tool. You'll notice that the artboards in your document become highlighted, and the selected artboard will show its boundaries clearly. You'll also see the Artboard options appear at the top of the screen in the control panel. Now that the Artboard tool is active, the next step is to select the artboard you want to duplicate. Simply click directly on the artboard you want to copy. When you click it, Illustrator will highlight it, confirming that it is currently selected. This is important because the duplication will be based on whichever artboard is selected. Now here comes the key step that actually creates the duplicate. On Windows, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, hold down the Option key instead. While holding Alt or Option, click on the selected artboard and drag it to the side. As you drag the artboard, Illustrator will automatically create a duplicate of that artboard along with all the artwork that exists inside it. When you release your mouse, the duplicated artboard will appear in the new location. This is one of the fastest ways to replicate layouts in Illustrator because it copies both the artboard and everything placed within it. This technique is especially useful when you're creating multiple versions of a design. For example, you might be designing different Instagram posts, multiple banner sizes, or several variations of a UI screen. Instead of rebuilding everything, you can simply duplicate the artboard and then modify the content in the new version. Another helpful tip is to drag the duplicated artboard while holding Shift. Doing this keeps the movement aligned horizontally or vertically, which helps maintain a clean and organized artboard layout inside your document. Keeping artboards aligned makes it much easier to navigate larger projects with many design variations. You can repeat this process as many times as you want. Just keep the Artboard tool active, hold Alt or Option, click the artboard, and drag to create another copy. Illustrator will automatically assign new artboard numbers as duplicates are created, keeping everything organized in the Artboards panel. If you're working on large projects like presentation slides, marketing graphics, or app interfaces, mastering this small shortcut can significantly speed up your workflow. Instead of spending time recreating layouts, you can focus on refining and improving your designs. And that's all there is to it. That's how you quickly duplicate an artboard in Adobe Illustrator using the Artboard tool and the Alt or Option drag shortcut. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips, shortcuts, and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.